Okay, so in question F here, it's coming from a problem that we've already told that that these rabbits have black fur or brown fur and thick fur or thin fur. And so there's really two variables we're considering. And so when there's two variables considering, I really have a hard time doing Venn diagrams. What I like to consider doing is a two-way table. Okay, and so what I'm going to do is do thick fur and thin fur. So this is talking about fur. And I'm going to do black and brown. I know that the grand total is 80. And so from the problem, I know that of these 80 rabbits, I know that 62 have black fur, so this is 62, which means I have to have 18 have brown. If 55 have thick fur, this is the totals here, then I know that there's 25 that have thin. And the last one is 4 rabbits have thin brown fur. Well, there's brown and here's thin, so here's 4, which means that there must be 14 thick brown. If I know there's 4 here and there's 25 here and there's 4, then this is 21 black and thin, and so then I'm going to have 41 black and thick. So the probability of thick black fur is 41 out of 80, and thin black fur is 21 out of 80. And I get that by going to a two-way table.